Hello, folks. It is Python Web Conference time. It is coming up here in March 17th through the 23rd. I am joined today by James, one of our speakers. James, give yourself a little introduction, please.
Oh, of course. So my name is James Spadafora. I'm a senior software engineer at Industrial Light and Magic. We make movies and visual
Yeah.
effects for movies.
Nice.
So you may be familiar with our work. Our team supports the filmmaking process by developing web applications as well as different tools for accessing production data.
Nice. And so you do that with Python. And I think that's what you're talking about this year at the conference, correct?
Yes, that's right. In
A
this
little
talk,
teaser.
yeah, a little teaser. This talk, I'll be talking about how we leverage Python web services in the filmmaking process and provide data and tools to our stakeholders.
That's crazy. So, I mean, I just never realized or thought too much into the filmmaking process that Python would be ever present there. I mean, give one little example you're going to give during your talk.
So in my talk, I'm going to be talking about how we develop like a Django application for managing CCs between various artists and supervisors. And more broadly, Python is extremely heavily used in the VFX industry. All third-party applications that we work with, pretty much all of them have Python interfaces. So it's a very strong language in that area.
Nice. That's super awesome. So you actually attended Python Web Conference last year. What are you excited about this year for the conference?
I'm very excited to hear all the talks about deployment, actually. As we start down that route a little bit at our company. I'm
Yeah,
very excited to hear what all the speakers are going to be talking about with deployments with Kubernetes and whatnot.
very cool. Well, James, we look forward to having you at Python Web Conference, and we'll see all of you next month in March as we get geared up for Python Web Conference 2023.